Is a good point to remember where we've come from. Whether you're in this industry or not, you of course appreciate how important talent is to business and to the environment. And as a business, I think we've taken a very local approach to how we run our business. Whether it's through the people we hire, we currently have about 9,000 Kenyans we have hired across the country, and we continue to hire as we move into our 10,000 people mark. We continue also to partner locally with our local content creators, who we are very, very proud constantly to be associated with. And we continue also to invest in a lot of our talent. This football season, we cannot forget our very own Naivas FC. I hope you're all...
Kikwetu campaign will be rewarding lucky customers in Naivas with a magical opportunity to win 15 65-inch TVs. We believe that these prizes are extremely befitting, especially during this season, when all eyes will be glued on TVs, when all fingers will be crossed as you cheer your favorite teams, and when everyone is coming together during the biggest football season.
I'm the Director of Operations at Naivas. So we've launched this Team Naivas Kikwetu quite early. Normally you'll find that we launch it about 5 weeks to Christmas, but we appreciate and understand and sympathize at the same time with most of the Kenyans who are going through hardships. We experiencing unprecedented levels of inflation. People purchasing power has really gone down, and that's why we've come together quite early with our partners, making sure that we do deep offers to our consumers. This campaign will run for 13 weeks, unlike the other times where we've only run it for 5 weeks. So we understand what is going in the country, and that's why we want to give our Kenyan consumers an early Christmas. Like I said, we are working with all our partners, our stakeholders, the manufacturers, to make sure that we cushion Kenyans, and especially on the essentials. You realize that the inflation levels on some of these products has gone as high as 30%. By the country, we are reporting at 8%. So we are working day to day with our stakeholders to make sure that we cushion, whether it's doing offers and making sure that we take minimum margins on essential commodities. Spending power going down, definitely business will be affected. And what we are doing as a company is making sure that we are as efficient as possible. So we have our own initiatives internally to ensure that we also cushion ourselves as a business on whatever is going on. Whether it's more training on our staff to increase productivity, whether it's making sure that our operational costs are at minimum. We are doing all that to make sure that the company continues next year.